my today's video, I'm going to talk about a very popular topic these days. Whichever product, whichever skincare or beauty product that you take up these days, you get words like AHA, BHA, and stuffs like that. So I'm going to tell you what these AHA, BHA, and all these things are, and at the same time, I'm going to try this peeling solution, which is a 30% AHA and 2% BHA face peeling solution, which gives like intense exfoliation. So I want to try this, and we will see how the entire process is going to be. I've heard a lot about this one and have seen a lot of ads and a lot of influencers and other people speaking about it, and I so badly wanted to try this one, so I thought, okay, let me buy it. So I'll tell you all the details, so just keep watching. So this is a peeling solution, and as the composition says, it have 30% AHA and 2% BHA. Now before I come into anything further, let me tell you what AHA and BHA are all about. So AHA and BHA, as I told you, are the words which you have been listening quite a lot these days. So starting with AHA is something which helps your skin to nourish mainly. So it works like a wonderful moisturizer, and it helps to moisturize and make your skin supple, and it works little bit on very minor breakouts or acne or sun damage like that, but in a very minute level. But if you want real intense working on acne and stuffs like that, then BHA is much more stronger compared to AHA. So what AHA does is that it does a surface job. So AHA makes sure that it cleans your face, the outer surface of your face. It don't penetrate deep into your skin, but then it cleans the top layer. And we all know that we keep on producing dead cells over and over again. So this kind of peeling solution is something which helps to remove those dead cells chemically. So if you are somebody who exfoliates a lot, I think this is not much needed, and chemical peels are something which are much famous now, but were not there much in the in the past or something. But I am not a person who loves a lot of physical exfoliation, because I feel that it damages the skin, and as you are aging, physical exfoliation can actually damage your skin. So for that reason, I thought, let me give it a try with the chemical peel and see how it works. So as I told you, AHA is something which works on the external part. It do not penetrate very deep into your skin. But BHA is something which enters the pores and clears up everything. So it's like much more stronger. So we will start with talking about this product. So starting with the first part, this is like a 10-minute weekly exfoliation, and I'll give you the details and all things about that. So let me start with the brand first. So this is by the Derma Co, and I think most of you would have seen this brand some way or the other, maybe on like on online websites, or from where you purchase stuff, or maybe through your friends or influencers. There's a lot of marketing that is happening, so I'm sure that you would have heard of this one. I have worked with the Derma Co in the past, and trust me, I really love their products. I love it so much that I actually buy the products from them. So this is something which I have bought because I really wanted to try, and it's a brand, it's a skincare brand in India that I completely trust. So the first thing says, what makes it awesome? So a powerful combination of 30% AHA and 2% BHA in this super effective peeling solution battles blemishes while deeply exfoliating your skin that will speak radiance with continued use. So this is very natural, like peeling solution is meant to remove the dead cells of your face. So radiance, though it's natural, like it will come with it. What's more, bid goodbye to not just blemishes but wrinkles and fine lines as well. So again, wrinkles and fine lines and everything is because of the n number of dead cells that are there on top of your skin. So if that is removed, I think that also goes with it. And it says, all in all, this peeling solution is just what you need for radiant and blemish free skin. 8 out of 10 consumers found improvement in skin texture after using AHA plus BHA. So as I told you in the beginning, AHA and BHA combination is perfect. And AHA, especially if you have a dry skin like how I do, I have a kind of it's like a combination skin, but it's like more of a dry and less of an oily type. So I get oily very less, like on this part and this part, but very less. But this part and all is like completely dry, and the dry skins are prone to be to get wrinkles and blemishes and other things very easily, and that's the reason I make sure that my skincare is done properly throughout. So AHA is something which works wonders if you are having if you are already having a dry skin, because it nourishes and moisturizes your skin like anything. So that's what it says. Then next is how to use. Apply evenly across the face and neck using your fingertips in the evening. Leave on not for more than 10 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water along with a cleanser and pat dry. Follow it up with a moisturizer and sunscreen during the day. Use no more than twice a week. Okay, so use no more than twice a week, but I am definitely not going to use it for more than once a week. So I'm going to use this thing only once a week, and let's see how it works, because I told you that it gives intense exfoliation, just removes the top layer of your skin. Why do you need to do it 2 times? I think 1 time is more than enough, and I'm not somebody who goes out and work a lot, under the sun, and my skin gets damaged or anything like that. So I think once a week is something that I can start with. And they are saying that it's better to use at evening time, and I truly go with it because it removes the top layer. And if I am using it during the morning time, what may happen is that if by chance I have to go out in the sun, it can have an adverse effect on my skin. So what I'm going to do is, this is night time and I'm going to use it now, and after this they are also saying that I can clean it off using a cleanser. So I'm going to skip that part. I'm not going to use any cleanser, but I'm going to nicely thoroughly make sure that it's gone off my face. I'm going to pat it dry, and the reason is that I don't want any other product to come and react with this thing, or my skin which have been freshly exfoliated, and create a bad or a negative effect. For the next 2 days I'm going to skip all my other skincare routines. So I do use a lot of AHA BHA gel and vitamin C serum and other things. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do only lot of moisturization and lot of sunscreen. That's it. Not going to use any other stuffs, and very minimal makeup. So let us see how it works. So the next part says how not to use. So if you have peeling or sensitive or compromised skin, do not use a peeling solution. Discontinue use if persistent irritation occurs. So peeling solutions are meant to give a very tingy or a kind of little burning sensation in your skin, and that's the reason you're not supposed to keep it more than 10 minutes. But it says if it is more, if it's a lot, if you're not able to bear it, then please do not use it. So I hope that don't happen with me, because I don't have a very sensitive skin. Mine is like an okayish, and my skin can tolerate a lot. So hope it works best. Caution, this peeling solution is only for experienced users of acids. Now I told you few acids which can be used on the skin. Many a time we do use things without actually knowing that they have acids in it. So glycolic acid and all these things are actually which are good for the skin, and many products which come online and many products which you buy as a part of your skincare contains these acids. So if you're somebody who is not exposed to these things, I think using this one can be little scary, or maybe you should be a little cautious when you are using this kind of product. So when introducing products with a high percentage of active ingredients, initial purging can be experienced, and your skin may require up to 2 weeks to adjust. For maximum result, avoid sun exposure for 24 hours. For 48 hours, do not apply any treatment, no cream, no toner, nothing. And that's a caution that they have given. That's a caution that I spoke in the beginning also. I'm happy that it's given on the pack and will be easy for the people who are going to use it. So what do they promise is, they say it's sulfate free, it's dye free, it's paraben free, it's mineral oil free. And I will go and talk about the ingredients later on. They have given us the main stuff that they have told about it, and as I told you, it's mainly about acid. So the pH is lesser than 7, it is 3.6. That's the reason we say not to use it. I'll say not to use it more than once a week, but they are saying not to use it for more than twice a week. But I think once a week is more than enough, and it gives deep exfoliation. It's science-based ingredients. Now, the price of this one, so this comes in a 30 ml bottle, and the price of this one is $5.99, and again it comes with a shelf life of 2 years. And what I liked about this one is the price is good, because the original peeling solution which came was from the brand called Ordinary, and Ordinary you get to buy in India, but I'm not sure how authentic it is, and it is very costly compared to Dermaco. And then there are other brands also. For example, the Minimalist is something which brought the same kind of peeling solution, but again I have a very deep trust when it comes to Dermaco, so I thought to give this one a try rather than giving Minimalist a try. So now they have also mentioned that AHA and BHA are naturally present in sugarcane and raspberry. So that's like a very general information that is given to you. So I'm going to open this box and I'll show you how it looks like. So this is how the bottle comes like, in the small bottle, and then you have this also with it, with which you can pick the product and you can put it in your skin and you can work on it. So this is like a seal, you need to break it and you need to put it, and then you can use it with this one itself. So now coming to the main part, that is what are the ingredients that they are speaking about in the beginning. So the first one says that it contains 10% glycolic acid, it contains 10% lactic acid, it contains 10% mandelic acid, and it contains 2% of salicylic acid. So all these acids are the one which helps in peeling, exfoliation, removes hyperpigmentation, treats acne and stuffs like that. So let us now quickly come to this one. So before that, I'm going to go and clean my face thoroughly so that no traces of makeup and stuffs are there left back on my skin to react with this. As a face wash also I am using, as I told you, I love this brand, so I have all the products from this brand, and I'm using this AHA BHA foaming cleanser to clean my face. So this comes like a foam and becomes very easy to clean the face. So I'm going to do this and I'll be right back. So I have cleansed my face, it's ready to be peeled with this peeling solution. So I'm going to open this seal, and inside the seal itself there's another seal, so I'm going to remove that also. And now I'm going to use this to close it. So again, closing and opening with this is a very easy task. It's done beautifully, the packaging is beautiful, the bottle is sturdy, and I'm actually loving it. So let's start with peeling. So something which you have to be very careful is that you're not supposed to use it around your eyes. So I'm going to keep it a little away from the eyes, and I'm going to use it all around my face. So start. So you can see this is how it looks. So even the one from Ordinary and Minimalist are something which looks red in color, and even this is something which is red in color. So I'm going to apply it like this. So before I wash it off, let me tell you how I'm feeling. So there's a little bit of tinkiness, little bit of burning, very little bit, especially over this places, because these are highly dry for me. And no other problem. I don't feel any kind of irritation in my eyes or nose or any fuming or anything like that. I have kept a very intense moisturizer again from the Dermaco over here. So this contains ceramides and hyaluronic acid. So this goes and deeply moisturizes your skin. So as I told, once I wash this part off, I'm going to use this moisturizer heavily on my skin, and that's how I'm going to close it off. So this is how my skin feels after peeling. It feels a lot more clean and soft. So I've kind of washed it, and I've made sure that it's completely gone. I didn't use any cleanser, as I told you. Now I'm going to use this moisturizer. I truly love this product, and for now it just cleaned my skin, and let me see how it works. So I'm going to use it after a week, and let's see how this works over the period of time, and I'll keep on giving you updates. So if you're planning to buy it, if you like it, if you like this video, if you liked how it works, if you like the ingredients, please go and buy it. You can buy from the other brands also, but as I told you, Derma Co is something which I love. It's totally up to you. You buy whatever you want, but I love the product. So until next video, this is Vidya with lots of love. Bye.